Hello, guys. What do you think about my little shot glasses, liqueur glasses, shooter glasses, whatever you want to call them? I made them out of copper. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? If you guys like this thing, let me know in the comments down below and I'll make a video on how I made them. But today I want to show you something else. I'm going to switch over to my other camera because I'm filming this on my laptop. And if I pull the screen down a little bit, I'm going to have to be hiding down here. So I'm just going to go over to the other camera and then show you how I clean this with something that you're probably throwing away, that you can use to brush your teeth. It's perfectly safe to use. You can fertilize your garden with it. You can germinate seed with it. You can stop wounds, small wounds from bleeding, and you're throwing it away. All right. And you probably have this in your house this very second, so you never again have to buy anything to clean copper with. Let's go to the next part. Right, here they are. A couple of them like that, all made out of copper. I'm just going to take two of them. Let's put these to one side. I want to show you the magic ingredients you're going to need. Okay, boom, ash, normal fireplace ash. No chemicals in it, no salts in it, no brass cleaner or copper cleaner, and this is just water, normal water. And this is what you're going to do. Let's take this one. Look at that spot there. Right. Dip your finger in the water, dip it in the ash, and this is just normal wood ash, fireplace ash. Oops. I mean, here you go. Okay. Let's look at this. See the difference? I get a glass of water here just to clean it. I'm going to dip it in there. Look at the difference. You can take this and you just go around. You take a piece of sponge, clean it with a piece of sponge. You don't need very hard rubbing or anything. There you go. And in the water. Check the difference. Let me try a sponge. Here's a piece of sponge. There's nothing on the sponge. It's just an old sponge. It doesn't even have the Scotch-Brite, the rough side anymore. I think I should have sifted this first because there's a little bit of charcoal in here as well. Alright, let's take apart. That part is fairly dirty still. And let's see. There you go. Charcoal, get off. Oh dear, I think I put too much water on that. But it's still working very well. And I'm sure, let me see this bottom end here. That's considerably better. I'm gonna pause and just gonna get some ash that I've sifted so I can get rid of the pieces of charcoal. I didn't think about that. Right, and I'm back. So I just sifted this, got rid of most of the pieces of charcoal. So let's take the big one. Let's clean the big one. Get it nice and moist. And then just get a bit of, that's more like it. Now this is what it looks like. And that's just a few seconds later. If you take a little brush, you can get in here easily. And guys, this is really simple. And it's for free, and it's completely environmentally friendly. Normally you would throw away, most people would throw away the ash. They don't think that you can use it for soap or for making soap. You can use it for cleaning copper. You can make biodiesel out of it. There are so many uses. It's a great germination stimulant because plants want to, when they're growing out in the veld, they want to germinate easy after a fire. And so nature just decided on that if there's been a veld fire, the residue of the fire will stimulate the next season's growth for the veld to regenerate. So look at that. Pretty simple. Don't throw away your ash. You can use it. Okay, let's see if I clean this in the water. Maybe just put the sponge in there as well. It's quite a bit of a difference if you compare it to the other one. Really simple, cheap, free, sustainable. This is pretty cool. Don't throw away your ash, guys. Use it. Oh boy, and now I gotta clean up all of this. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Bye. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this, remember to like and subscribe. Bye.